Good evening, everyone. So, as we discussed that we will have doubts related any query session. hmm? Any doubts related to whatever topics you learnt up to now? Have any issues? No, because as I already told you yesterday, today we will have only doubts session, right? So, have any issues related to what you practiced up to now? Online people, if you have any doubts, you can raise your hand related to React. Related to this class, React related, only React related, any doubts are there? Till now, whatever you learned, no commands. Any issues? Anyone? Yes, Nick, what is your doubt? Yes, Nick, you have any doubt?
Yes, sir. Sir, is it mandatory to define use state every time for accessing variables?
You are not accessing variable, you are declaring state by using use state.
Sir, but why
You
we
are
have
not
to use that?
accessing any variable in use state. You are using use state to allocate memory for a component.
Okay.
Why we are using use state? Tell me. We discussed detail enough.
Yes, sir, but there was slight confusion, so I asked.
Now, why I said that we should not use variables?
So you mean to say we can
We discussed a point,
define?
right? We
Yes.
discussed that we should not use variables in components to store data, right?
Okay.
Why?
Mm, no idea, sir. Sorry.
Because variables are immutable. No?
Okay. Yeah.
But we need component to handle data in a mutable.
Okay.
That is the reason we are using state, right?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Uh, yeah. Anyone doubts? Any? Hmm. There are so many state management techniques. We will learn about different state management techniques. Because as I already given a list, there are so many: use reducer, use context. So you Redux, a third party state management library. Third party library is also there. We can use our local storage, session storage, cookie storage of Dome. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah. Huh. Hmm. Now, client also can have a session. Uh, Client also can have a session. Client side also session storages will be there. In JavaScript, in browser you have a session storage. Session storage means in many interviews they ask what is difference between local storage and session storage in browser. In browser, session storage is created in a browser which is accessible only to that particular tab. If you try to access from another tab, it is not available. Tab. That is local storage. Session storage is not for window. Session storage is only for tab, and it is temporary. Once you close the tab, the session storage is deleted. If you want permanently, then you have a local storage. Local storage can be accessed from any tab. Even you close the browser, the local storage is available after closing also. Yes, browser. Every browser has its own local storage. Uh, Obviously, cross browser storages will not be there. Uh, right? Cross browser will not be there. Uh, uh, Yes, Bindu, what is your doubt? Yes, Bindu, you have any doubt? Yes, Mamata.
Hi, Sudhakar. Uh,
Yes.
hey, Sudhakar, I don't know that this my question is related to this or not. I know that that is not related to the course which we have covered, but I am really very confused or very what we can say. It's a very pathetic for me that every day I have to check. There is a no permanent link to join the class,
Uh,
and
once once the registration's completed, we will share a classroom code where every time you will get an alert through your email. It will take 1 2 days to finish all that process.
okay, because every day
Because
I have to search
because because
where.
these are starting
Yeah.
with demos, many people are joining and going out. So what we do is once the registrations finish completely, so then
Mhm.
we create one classroom code. We will share everything into that classroom from till the end of the course. You will get all the notifications there every day.
Is it the
For that, it
prior?
will take 1 2 days time.
Okay, and it will be the prior to the class, right?
Immediately after the class.
No, no. We just want that link where to join the class.
Link joining, our admin will take care about that. He will send you.
Before just
I'm not
confirm the
sure
thing.
how he is sending you link. How he is sending you link?
No,
Have
I
you
just got
registered?
a. Yes, I have registered. I am a
Because if
paid
you have
student.
registered, then for your registered email, they will send you a registered link.
But Sudhakar,
If,
till now I only get
you please
two mails.
contact this guy. He is there, our host Satish. He is our
Uh-huh.
course admin. He will
But
take care about that.
he never replied to any of the our queries before.
So I will check once because how they send you registration links and all, I am not completely aware of that.
He is never picking our calls, so there is
Uh,
no any whatever issue we have, he never
See,
addressed
generally
anything.
for once the registration process is completed, a permanent link is shared to their email every day. You just need to log in with that.
Okay, okay, and it will be the before the
And it
meeting,
will
right?
it will not change daily. It will
Okay,
be fixed for entire course. It will
okay,
not change daily link. Nobody need to send you a daily a link. You just need a
uh-huh.
meeting ID for continuous sessions. Only
Okay.
one ID will be used. Every day you have to log in with that ID only.
Mm-hmm.
Are you
Okay.
logging every day with different IDs?
Yeah, from last 2 3 days, it's every
Uh,
time we
Actually, only two times ID is changed.
one time WebEx, one time Zoom,
Huh. That is
and
because we
earlier
changed it
uh,
in
the different
WebEx.
Zoom.
This is the final one.
Okay, this
Every
the
day you
Naresh
have to join
Zoom.
through this. Okay.
Okay. Okay. And one more thing about the videos. Actually, some days I miss the videos before the sessions, and I want to go through that videos, but it is not uploaded right till now.
Videos are not
Uh,
provided to everyone. So you have to register for the videos.
so I am with videos. I paid for the with
Then you
videos.
will get a registered link. Every day you will be get updated with that. It will take 1 2 days to set up that process for you.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
Every day you will get an link to your email of those videos.
Okay.
Right? Mm.
Okay.
It will
Thank you.
take 1 2 days to set up. Huh?
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thanks a
Yeah.
lot.
Yeah.
Thanks for your time.
Uh, yes, Nick, what is your doubt?
Sir, I just wanted to share the screen.
Currently it is not possible. Can you tell what is the doubt?
Sir, actually, I have tried one basic example of React.js
Hmm.
and I'm unable to configure that. How can I write SCSS files for that?
SCSS, we haven't discussed anything, right?
Yeah, but you showed us that way of doing.
Later in project integration, you will see that.
Okay, sir. Fine.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yes, anyone have more doubts? Huh. Hmm. No, React is completely designed with TypeScript, not JavaScript. React is designed with TypeScript, not JavaScript. Complete React.js library is designed using TypeScript language. TypeScript is JavaScript compatible. Uh, hmm, hmm, hmm. It is a framework. Uh, React is a library. React can use a lot of frameworks for different reasons. React is a library, and a library cannot control the application flow. Right? Libraries and languages can only build an app. Right? To build an application, you need library, language, and framework. What is difference? Language and library can build an application, but application flow is controlled by a framework. So React is a library. A library is not enough to build an app. It needs support of some frameworks. And it is not necessary that everybody have to use same framework. Right? There are so many frameworks which we can use for different environments. React React is a library. So it is a library to build UI, user interface, right? Any web application that needs user interface, you can use Java, .NET, PHP, Python. Everybody needs UI. No? Backend is integrated with front end. Front end is React. jQuery is library. React is also library. Next, that means it is a framework. Hmm, that- Yes, Jayashree.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
So I was going through a code of Ajax demo.jsx in
Huh.
which we are using the function load data with
Hmm,
uh, where HTTP is equal to new XML HTTP request.
hmm.
So in that, sir, you had said earlier that in React we cannot use if statements, whereas in this
We
code,
cannot use.
if statements you had said we cannot
No, no,
use.
in JSX, not React JS.
Okay, okay.
In
In
JSX,
JSX.
JSX is an element area, right?
Okay. I did
So
not get.
not in React. So
Okay.
in JSX, you cannot use statements.
Okay, in JSX, right? So in
JSX.
this, in this JSX file, we are
Not
using,
JSX file, JSX component environment. That is, you are writing written, right?
yeah,
The
right.
area of written is JSX,
Okay, so only
right?
in that area we cannot use.
That is JSX. You are
Okay,
returning a JSX element. Function is returning JSX.
okay, so
A
only in the
complete
return area.
function is not JSX.
Okay, I
Right.
see.
So you cannot write your if statement or conditions or anything inside that return.
Oh, I see.
Right.
Okay. Now I understood.
Uh,
All right.
okay.
And one more thing I wanted to ask you is that whenever I do npm start on my React to start my React app,
Uh,
what
uh,
happens is it gives me a lot of errors, and then I searched a lot, and it says that you have to use import React from React. So when I,
no, it is just warnings. They are not errors.
okay,
Because currently what you are doing is you are designing one component and keeping it in the startup.
yes,
When you do that in other components, if any imports are missing, it will show that as a warning because entire project is compiled, not just only your component is compiled.
okay.
So
So
if
that,
there are any missing in other components also, those warnings will be shown here. If there are any errors in other components also, your component will not work.
okay, I see.
So you have to make sure that in other components you don't have any incomplete or you don't have any errors.
Okay, there were no errors as such. I did exactly
Warnings
how.
will be there, warnings,
Okay,
because
okay,
you may be violating some coding rules. Like
okay,
if you are writing a comparison, you may be using double equal, but it
okay.
should be triple equal because strictly typed comparison. Such warnings it will show. You may be using a button without mentioning type.
Okay.
Such all warnings it will display, and you may be importing some library, but you may not be using. You deleted something.
Okay.
So such all warnings it will show.
All right. All right, sir. That was
Okay,
my doubt for now.
okay, okay.
Thank you so much.
Thanks. Yes, anyone else? Any more doubts are there? If there are no doubts, you can leave and you can have a good weekend. Huh? If you have doubts, you can. Any doubts are there? Yeah. Yes, Baswaraj. Yes, Baswaraj, you have any doubts?
Sir, how to know which bootstrap class name where to use, sir?
You can go to package JSON. Package JSON keeps all the information of versions of your libraries.
Okay, sir. Thank
If
you.
you go to package JSON, you can find every library and its version, which version you installed,
Okay, sir. Thank you.
which version already they are using. You can get all that information in package JSON. You have your PC now running
Yes, sir.
in the project. You can go to package JSON and you can see where is
Okay.
our project. So our project is React project, React shopping, and any library that you installed in a um, project, all the library related information you will get in package JSON. You go to package JSON. Here you will get information about everything. Bootstrap 5.3. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Ah, yes. Anything else? Yes, Ranjan, what is your doubt?
Yeah. Good evening, sir. Am I audible?
Good evening.
Yeah. So actually, as we discussed 3-4 Ajax techniques for accessing JSON files, right?
Uh-huh.
So actually, like most frequently developers are in future, which technique we are going to use?
There is
Like
nothing like mostly. We discussed all.
according
See,
to according to the like
in
requirement.
software technologies,
Okay.
there is no question like which one is best,
Yeah.
right?
Yes.
That
According
is
to the requirement.
completely depending on requirement.
Okay.
So if one is best, then obviously others will be removed, or they will be
Yes.
obsolete. You
Yes.
cannot ask is where best or LET best or const best.
Yeah. It depends upon the requirement.
Of course, there is nothing like best. If
So
there is
actually,
one best, why others are they still working?
yes, yes.
Right?
So what we are going to use from tomorrow, like which technique, whether it is fetch?
You will learn.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
So because it's virtual DOM React.
We are learning already virtual DOM only, na?
Yeah, yes.
Yes.
So again, one more dot, like it's a bit off topic. Like actually you told, right? Like no software in the world is providing free, like they are not offering any social service. So for a developer, like it's a React, it is free. Angular, this frameworks libraries, it is free for developers. Like we can build apps. So what is that hidden motives of these libraries and frameworks? Like how they are going to benefit? Like why they are
So
offering?
you are building apps through whom?
No. Home in the sense like
Means you are building app by using which library?
like I didn't build anything like in future like React. Yes.
So
Like
you are saying that how React people will be benefited,
yes.
right?
Yes.
So what do you think? They don't have any business, just providing you free library.
They have, but I want to understand like what was it exactly?
You know Meta community.
Yes, Meta community. Yes.
Yes, go through it. You will get complete clarity of their business.
Okay, fine. So it's like Angular
Because
or
React
everything.
is belonging to Meta.
Meta. Yes.
Yes, if you have clarity on Meta community, then you will understand why they are using React, why they are freely providing you React.
Okay, fine.
If you have idea on Google developers community, you will have an idea on Angular.
Okay, sir. I'll go through it.
Right. So those communities are having a agenda.
Okay.
So why Google provides you a free maps to you?
Yeah. Like for users it's free, but for businesses they will pay. They will pay when they will use it. Yeah.
Right. Why a laptop provides you a MS Office for free? Because at your best example, are you using iPhone?
No, sir, it's Android.
No, you are using any cloud drive?
No, like Google.
You are watching any Netflix, all these,
Yes.
right? So you want a 4K video?
Yes.
You want 4 devices to use?
Yes.
Right? Then they will provide you certain level free. And they will make you addicted to that.
Okay. Fine.
Right? And you want more from them. Now their business act come to picture. Even Gmail is also not free. You have YouTube also not free, right?
Yes.
YouTube also have a premium one.
Yes. First they'll offer freemium. First they'll
premium.
up to some
So
extent
what
free.
premium will provide?
Yeah, up to some extent only some content will be free.
That is business model. Every business model is that. Why anybody provides you free?
Yes.
Right? Because he makes you start using it. Once you start using it, then in that there are a lot of complications which cannot use freely. Right? In React, you are building a UI.
Yes.
You will have a React MUI, material UI.
Yeah.
To build more interactive interfaces.
Mm.
In that some components they say that you can't use free, you have to buy.
Mm-hmm.
And your projects cannot use the free ones, they have to buy.
Okay.
So what do you say? React is not doing a business?
Yeah, it's business. So up to
Yes.
some extent only it's free. So you want advanced fonts or anything.
Obviously, right?
So
Even the libraries you use it like Axios is a free,
Mm.
but you want more features than Axios in your business, in your project requirement, then you have to buy.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah, okay. Understood, sir.
Then
Thank you, sir.
that's re- Amazon, Netflix, Facebook, Instagram, all these are products of React. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah. Hmm. Yep. Yeah, if you don't have any doubts online, we will end the session. We will continue on Monday. Yes, Baswaraj, what is your doubt?
Okay, sir.
Yes, Baswaraj.
Yes, sir. Like that, you said XML HTTP is attacked by firewalls. Then what about fetch, which is means the fetch is having the binary format, no, sir? Is that binary format also is attacked by the
If
firewall?
if you know about binary format have an issue called COM marshalling. You know
What's
COM
that?
marshalling? COM marshalling. COM to marshal.
No, sir.
No, COM marshalling means converting an object code to binary and binary to object, right? And if any COM to marshalling is happening, firewalls will block COM level marshalling also in some occasions. Understood?
Okay.
Right. So this also affects fetch, right?
Okay.
Okay. In computer programming, any binary means it has to go through a process called COM to marshal. COM marshalling is converting the object code to binary and binary code to object. And firewalls will block COM level marshalling. That is the reason we use XML and JSON. Understand?
Okay,
If
sir.
that if directly XML and JSON is not working, then obviously you will have a problem with firewalls, even in fetch also. Okay.
And what about jQuery Ajax methods and third-party Ajax methods? They are
jQuery
also
Ajax
attacked.
is directly providing JSON or not?
Yes, sir.
Then is there an issue?
Okay, sir.
No?
No, sir.
Ah, okay, online people, we are going to end the session. We will continue on Monday, right? Thank you.